was different. No one understood him.
You ready for it, boy?
It's time to take your medicine.
Thank you, sir.
No one could control him.
Go inside, honey.
But now, it's a new beginning. The beginning of the end for Freddy.
Every town has an Elm Street. I'm screaming while the bus is in motion.
Did you want to go for?
I'll get you, my pretty, and your little soul, too.
We have to hit him with everything we've got.
Now I'm playing with power.
We're in Twin Peaks here. Gotta be me and him.
You want to like?
What's with kids today, huh?
Freddy's dead. The final nightmare.
Free graphics.
They saved the best for last.
He was a fantasy.
No, tell me everything about it. I want to know what you do there and not leave anything else. Today, Claudine has met the man that awakens her most forbidden desires, the handsome Parisian.
Her innocence captivated him. It was a storybook romance.
Who is Claudine?
It's me. They have so much to learn.
It's Willie's favorite game.
This,
He taught her the rules.
Miracles Polaire. My wife, Gabrielle.
Book that truly speaks of the young man. And he taught her how to break them.
but it's mine and goes on supposed to write books too.
He taught her the ways of love. And the pain of betrayal.
And he's bargaining from the book.
I can't.
Why not?
It has blatant sexuality.
It's not sex. It's romance. What do we need? We are destroying everything we ever had.
He unleashed her passion, and a woman was born. But the fantasy was ended.
A third woman with a lease, diamonds for another. Now that's enough. Either you pay these debts now, or I shall press charges immediately.
I feared I'd never see the book finished. Without further ado, let me present my latest Claudine book.
The dream was about to begin.
I would like to introduce you to the real author of the Claudine book. Gabrielle Collins.
Starring Klaus Maria Brandauer, Matilda May, Virginia Madsen. A Danny Houston film. Becoming Colette.